Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our fourth video of a C programming series. If you not seen our previous videos of the C programming, then watch it. I gave link into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. Our topic name is C data types. We are going to learn the data types in a C programming here. First, we will see what is a data types. Data types can be defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform specific operation. Data types in a C refer to an extensive system used for declaring variables or functions of a different types. The type of a variable determines how much space it occupies in a storage and how the bit pattern stored is interpreted. Next, the data types in a C can be classified as follows. The first one is a basic types. They are arithmetic types and further classified into two types. First one is a integer type and second one is a floating point type. Floating point types can be also known as a real point types. The second one is a enumerated types. They are again arithmetic types and they are used to define variables that can only assign certain discrete integer values throughout the program. The third one is the type void. The type specifier void indicates that no value is available. For the null function, void is used. Fourth one is a derived types. Derived type contains the following types. First one is a pointer types, array type, structure type, union types and function types. The array types and the structure types are referred to collectively as the aggregate types. The type of a function specifies the type of the function's return value. We will see the basic data types in the following section, whereas the other data types will be covered into the next upcoming videos. Now we will see the integer types. This table provides the details of a standard integer types with their storage size and value ranges. Here we are seeing that character is a data type. For this, storage size is a 1 byte and the value range is from -128 to 127 or 0 to 25. Like these data types, all are the data types which are having some storage size and their value ranges. The next data type is a floating point types. Floating type point means what? Which contains a decimal point, that is a floating point data type. Here the float data type having a storage size is a 4 byte and the value range is here 1.E38 to 3.E plus 38 minus 38 to plus 38, and the precision here is 6 decimal places. Like that, double floating point data type is having 8 byte storage size and long double data type is having 10 byte storage size. The next data type is a void data type. The void type specifies that no value is available. It is used in 3 kinds of a situation. First one is a function return as a void. For example, here is a void exit int status. There are various functions in a C which do not return any value, or you can say they return void. a function with no return value as the return type as a void. The next type is function argument as void. Example is int rand void. There are various functions in a C which do not accept any parameter. A function with no parameter can accept a void. Third one is a pointers to void. Example for a memory allocation function is void pointer malloc size underscore t size. Pointer to void which can be casted to any data type. A pointer of a type void represents the address of an object but not its type. Here we see in the example that void pointer malloc which returns a pointer to a void. This is the data types we seen in this video. In the next video we are going to learn about the C variable. Thank you for watching our video.